Hello there. In a week's time, we're going to close out the month of February, and that's when we can start to collate all the winter statistics. It's the end of meteorological winter, but we already know in some areas it's been a record-breaking wet winter in Aberdeenshire, Worcestershire and North Yorkshire. This is the average rainfall we should see over those 3 months, but you can see we have smashed those averages. Some areas seeing 75% more rain already, and we're just going to add to those totals before the month is through. In fact, there's another frontal system bringing a spell of wet weather across England and Wales through the night. That sinks its way steadily south, but then the wind direction turns to a northwesterly, slightly fresher conditions to follow on over the next few days. A spell of very heavy rain, though, to begin with, to clear from the southeast. Gale force gusts of winds on exposed coast of the south, but behind it, quite a clearance. Sunny spells, a few wintry showers to higher ground in Scotland. A slightly fresher feel to all, but these temperatures 6 to 9 degrees, about where we should be for this time of year. Now, as we move out of Thursday into Friday, plenty of isobars on the chart, and we are going to continue to see a few scattered showers in the more organised little frontal system pushing into the northwest. So showers most frequent the further north and west you are. Sunny spells, blustery showers, but if you dodge the showers, keep some sunshine, a pleasant enough day. Top temperatures once again ranging from 7 to 10 degrees. But through Friday night, we'll continue to see some clearing skies and the winds will fall a little bit lighter. And that's going to allow those temperatures to fall away, and gardeners and growers take note. We are heading for quite a chilly start to our weekend under those clearing skies. Yes, widespread temperatures down close to freezing just below in more rural spots. That will certainly come as a little bit of a shock to the system. But the start of the weekend looks quite promising with lighter winds, this brief ridge of high pressure building and starting the weekend off relatively quiet. So on the whole, for most of us, do expect a quiet story, lighter winds, some sunshine coming through, and those temperatures again 8 or 9 degrees. Now, it looks likely that Sunday could start off on a similar note, but we do have to keep an eye on an area of low pressure that's developing down into the southwest. Now, this could be subject to change. You need to keep abreast of the forecast for Sunday if you have got plans. But overall, relatively quiet with the best of the sunshine into eastern areas, clouding over down to the southwest, and by the end of the afternoon at the moment, the current thinking is there'll be some wet and windy weather arriving here. Again, temperatures, similar story, 7 to 10 degrees overall. Now we need to look a little bit further ahead and we need to look at the jet stream. It is starting to change. We've had this dip in the jet stream, allowing that area of high pressure to quieten things down. But into next week, the jet stream re-intensifies and centres itself across the UK. It's the jet stream that steers areas of low pressure in our direction. So yes, we're going to start off with this brief ridge of high pressure, quiet start, but through the middle part of the week, we're back to the same old story, turning increasingly wet and windy. And you can see that in the city forecast. So Monday, Tuesday, certainly the better days throughout the week ahead, turning increasingly wet and windy once again. Those temperatures staying generally between 8 and 11 degrees. So that's the story. Obviously, finer details subject to change. Keep abreast of the forecast here on our website.